Are you tired of paying a lot of dollar for email marketing tools? What if I told you there's a powerful blazing fast open source even you can self-host today? In this video, I'll show you how to use it and launch a high-performance email campaign using a Listmonk. Here is website Listmonk app. You can visit here for its documentation and how to download it. You can see here it's a split format and it's high performance. And now I'll show you how to use it. Go into your list section, add here list of email. When you add here list, it will be empty. Just go into subscriber import section and place here your CSV file. That's given below this page. You can see at the bottom of this page and use this format for CSV file because these attributes will be used into your template. And now go into campaign section. Create here campaign, choose here list, choose list, go into content section. Here is a format of your email: HTML, rich text or visual editor. I'm choosing here visual editor. After here I wanna put email of subscriber and then I wanna preview it. Preview looks like that. Now I'll go in campaign section, put here just test email. We will send a test email. Show how it's appear inbox of user. You can see it's appear email after. Okay, and one thing more you should know about this, that's how to set up a SMTP server. Go into settings section and here it's a tab as SMTP. Put here your credentials, save it. Hope you understand how to use a list for email marketing. Awesome feature of this tool is you can track your views and its click. Go into campaign section. Each campaign have its own analytics like clicks, views and so on.